Ang unang binigay sa akin ng Holy Spirit was the Holy Spirit zipper. Yun ang pinakaunang gift sa akin ni Lord.
Is that
Zinip niya ang mouth ko talaga, the Holy Spirit zipper. Umuwi pa rin siya, may lipstick ang kwelyo, yung makeup niya, yung panyo niya, may makeup pa rin ng ibang girls. So anyway, pero talaga yung mouth ko supernaturally sealed talaga by the Holy Spirit. I'm not kidding. He would come home, ganun pa rin. Ang feeling ko sa kanya, habag. I pitied him.
Not anger.
Hindi anger. Talagang, nagkaroon ako ng compassion sa kanya. I just kept reading the Word and the Word just really renewed my mind. Instead of anger, instead of lashing out at him, nahabag talaga ako. So much compassion for him that I really prayed and prayed and prayed for him.
Compassion because
I was so lost.
Supernatural. Yung bang, sabi ko, kawawa naman tong taong to. He does not know what peace is all about. He does not understand how to find that contentment, that peace in life. Parang sa kanya, elusive na elusive eh. Hinahanap niya sa nightclub. And then, confess sa akin yan, ano? Tapos sabi niya, alam mo, Han, ako hindi ako kontento nun sa isang girl eh. Sabi ko, bakit?
Nagkukwento ka niya?
Sa left and right. Sabi ko, bakit? Kasi I have two hands. Ganun pa siya. Sabi ko, the left and the right? The left and the right. So anyway, hindi siya kontento. Talagang iniisa-isa nila yung nightclub.